skyscrapers go by. Everything looks better when you're high. Okay, we're gonna do GOA Express, second time. I watched a live performance of this, and the rhythm guitar is being played on a 12-string Rickenbacker. So I just have some delay set for almost instant repeat. Telecaster bridge is kind of jangly too. So the verses are E, so just lays on E to A for quite a long time. And they have at least 2 guitars in the band. So then it goes G, F sharp, minor, E. That repeats. You can also play the G as a power chord, and the F sharp as a power chord. And then an E just is like an open chord. And then the other guitar is playing like this is one of the riffs. So I'm playing at the 12th fret. I'm playing E chord on strings B, G, and D. And then you flatten your ring finger and you play an A. Thanks a lot. Bye.